can add a timeout in our test method also. At the test annotation, there is a parameter timeout which defines that this test cases will fail if it does not pass in this time frame. Here you can see that I have given a time frame of 1000 milliseconds here, and this test method is running up to 2000 milliseconds. So I'm printing a message here that this test cases will fail after 1000 milliseconds. Let's run this example. Here we can see that our test example method has failed with a message that this test timeout after 1000 milliseconds. So this is the example of a timeout. Our next topic is parameterized test. In parameterized test, we can run our JUnit test cases multiple times. Let's see how we can create a parameterized test. In this class, I have added a run with annotation, which is having a parameter parameterized.class. Now I have created a counter integer here and a constructor which is having this counter as input. So I have created a method count increment. So this has this annotation parameterized parameters, and it is returning an array of 1 to 5. Now I have added my test cases which will run 5 times as per this parameterized configuration. I am printing this counter variable here in sysout. Let's run this example. Here we can see that our test case parameterized example is running 5 times. Here if I open this boxes, we can see that parameter example test case is running with 5 inputs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 with which are coming from my counter increment, and it is also printing values 1 to 5 which I have written from this method. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I have added the links in the description below. If you like this topic, please subscribe and share with your friends. For any question, you can post it in the comment section below. Thank you.